This is not a test. The following message is transmitted by the National Emergency Authority. At approximately 6:40 p.m., a giant unidentified entity, referred to as the train fogger, has been sighted moving along active and abandoned railway lines. The entity resembles a massive locomotive shape, concealed by dense fog, with a large human-like face visible through the mist. It emits loud metallic noises and causes severe visibility loss in surrounding areas. Residents within 5 kilometers of any railway must remain indoors immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Do not investigate fog, train sounds, or voices coming from outside. Do not approach railways under any circumstances. Emergency services are responding. Updates will follow. This concludes the emergency message.